It's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. Behind me, the 2024 Four Winds 31 MV. Coming in at 32 feet, 7 inches in length, this Class CRV is more than equipped to take you and your entire family anywhere you've ever thought about traveling. The storage is massive. We'll show you. The inside, a great floor plan. Great campsite kitchen. You have a north-south bed. A lot of great features in here, but it may not have all the features and options you want in your Four Winds. We make a number of different Four Winds floor plans, so to make sure you're getting all the features and options and floor plan you want to fit your lifestyle, check with your local Thor Motor Coach dealer. You can always build your own at thormotorcoach.com, but I absolutely love this 31 MV, so let's head inside. Inside the 31 MV, look at all the space we have in here. Plenty of headroom. You have the one wall slide over here, seat belts and sleeping for 6. 2 of those seat belts right here on this sofa. This is great for the ride. You can kick back, cup holders here, put your drink there, so when you're going down those bumpy roads, nothing's gonna be sloshing around. A nice little shelf back here you can decorate. Moving back to our Dream Dinette, the most versatile seating in the Four Winds. Seat 4 here, have meals here, play games here. If you're traveling with kids on a rainy day, this is a great place for arts and crafts. There is wireless charging built in right here. Keep your devices charged. There are also USB-A and USB-C ports. Cup holders here for the ride. Again, seat belts here and a built-in child safety tether. So all sorts of good times happen right here at the Dream Dinette. You have a little storage down below and drawers that pull out, and then you have 6 cabinets, 3 above the dinette and 3 above the sofa for storage. Now we want to talk about sleeping for 6, right? Well, this makes into a bed. You just pull the handle and then you push the top down, you slide your cushions, and now you have a great sleeping area here at the Dream Dinette. Your sofa, this jackknifes into a bed. You just pull that out, somebody sleeps there, and in the morning, just push it right back up, and away you go. You're back into sofa mode. We also have the over-the-cab bunk, 800-pound capacity up here. The other 2 areas are very comfortable, but if you have 2 little kids like this, have them sit up here, hang out. This is a great area to charge your device. There's a built-in plug. There's a TV up here, and that is a smart TV. So that means when you connect to the standard WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender, you can create your own 4G hotspot anywhere you happen to travel. Now you can stream all your favorite sports and movies and TV shows right there on the smart TV. And that takes us into this kitchen, a campsite kitchen, a very large campsite kitchen. Look at the amount of counter space you have in here. Nice single bowl sink. You have this cover that rolls up for drying, pull down sprayer, pop-up outlet, 2 110s. You have a USB-A and a USB-C port, and when you put that down, that is a wireless charger. Plenty of room for the cookbook right there. A lot of storage up above. Very large cabinets up here. Use it as a pantry. Pots, pans, dishes, whatever you need up here. You have more cabinets and drawers down below. 3-burner gas cooktop. This has an oven perfect for the garlic bread when you are making skitty and meatballs. That's what's on the menu tonight. A microwave right up here, a fan, a hood light. So this is really a great kitchen setup, so you can make meals wherever you are and know exactly what you're getting. And the great thing is when you're traveling with the family and you're set up in a kitchen of this size, everybody can dig in and help. This has a 12-volt refrigerator, so you're going to have auto gen start on this. This is a 4,000-watt gas generator and a pantry. So whatever you can't fit in there, keep all your favorites in here. Everything you need in your pantry, and that's going to take us right back to our midship bath. So what I like about this setup here is you can open the door and have access to this entire area. There's even a little pocket door right back here if you really want to screen yourself in, but a nice printed shower surround in here. You have a skylight up above, so there's going to be plenty of headroom in here. You have a glass door on this shower. Everything you need to get nice and clean on the road. And then over on the other side, we have our foot flush toilet. We have our sink, a lot of storage in there. We have our medicine cabinets. So a great bathroom in this Four Winds, everything you need. You know what I like to say, space and privacy, super important when you are traveling. Another favorite feature of mine, Love the north-south bed. This is going to be a queen size bed, large closets on each side, overhead storage. You have an air conditioner back here. So a couple of things here. So standard is 15,000 BTU AC, but this has the optional 11,000 BTU AC. So you're going to get one up front and one in the rear. Your controls for that are right back here. You have TV prep back here, plenty of storage. Look at the size of that nightstand over there. You have 110 outlets, USB charging, 12 volts. So a great bedroom setup. And the great thing is you can just dive in here without having to put out your wall slide. So if you pull into a campsite or you pull into a parking lot or a rest stop and you can't put out the slide, go ahead and catch some Z's back here, and we'll make our way up front to show you just how easy this is to drive from campsite to campsite. Let's fire this Four Winds up, get that 7.3 liter V8 cooking. This has the power you need. We're talking 325 horsepower, 450 pound-feet of torque, 6-speed transmission, tow haul mode right here, and there is an option to manually shift if you have something hooked up to that 8,000-pound hitch. Quick spin through the controls here, auto headlights, emergency start down here. The thumb pads over here control your menu on the dashboard. So trip meters, timers, miles to empty, maintenance reminders, that sort of stuff is right there. Cruise control down below. Over here, this is going to be for your infotainment center, which has all the goodies you need when you are on the road. We're talking Sirius XM satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, connect your phone to this, AC controls up here, charging, lots of storage to help you stay organized. This is really a great riding machine. I also want to mention how smooth this Four Winds rides because of the Smooth Tech suspension system. So what you're going to get is a smoother ride, not a stiffer ride, and up to 4 inches of additional suspension clearance. So a great driving machine when you take it to a camp just like this, and it is really easy to set up. So I'm going to put in the slides and we'll meet you over on the business end to show you how to hook up your Four Winds. Let's take a quick spin of the business end. Your 4,000 watt gas generator located right down here, conveniently runs right off your tank. Nice storage bay over here. This is rotocast, so that means you can hose that out after you toss in all those muddy items. Really nice to have. They're not going to stink. They're not going to mildew. Nice rotocast base throughout this Four Winds. Going to be your propane fill right here. Tankless hot water on this Four Winds, and this is a 30 amp coach. I like that all the connections are right here. You have your 30 amp cord here. If you want to connect cable, you can right there. Your fuel fill is right here. Plumbing is right down below. Your black tank and your gray tank. Your freshwater fill is here, and all the capacities are right at the bottom of your screen in a very fancy graphic. Freshwater fill is here, but what really sets this floor plan apart is the storage. This mega storage bay, absolutely huge. 2,045 pounds on your occupant and cargo carrying capacity on this. I love that you have a portable table in here, so you can set this table up when you get to camp and you don't have to use the nasty campground picnic table. You got your own right in here. Think of all the things you can load in here, especially from each side, from the right, from the left, and from the back. And while we are out back, up there is the camera for your backup monitor. That is going to show up in the nice infotainment screen that we showed you when we were inside. A steel bumper, an 8,000 pound hitch. You have your 7-pin and your 4-pin connector back there. You also have a ladder to climb right up to that roof when it is time to do maintenance. Access that storage bay right from here. I like this too. Look at that. Little storage underneath as well, so you can really just fill this up with just about anything you would ever need. Maybe a grill or a griddle. You can use that on the road too. Right there is an exterior propane connection. What are you bringing with you? Something that's going to get dirty. Maybe you want to give the dog a bath or hose off the kids. Little portable hose right here. You just pull this out, you plug this in, turn on your water pump, and now you are spraying whatever you need off. And what's nice is it stores right back in here. Awning, so you can put the awning out, give yourself some shade. Maybe you want to sit outside, it's a little misty out. This is a great way to do it. The controls are inside. We'll show you where those are when we get up to the door. Another large rotocast bay here, another storage bay here, a couple of 110s. You do need to have the generator running or be plugged into shore power to work those. Real quick, inside, when you're setting up your one-touch leveling jacks are here. Your control panel is up there to put out your slide, start your generator, check your tank levels, turn on the tank heaters and the water pump, 12-volt battery disconnect switch, your auto gen start button, 100 watts of solar is standard on this, and then a number of controls for awnings and lights. And that is the 2024 Four Winds 31 MV. It's ready for you to load up. And when you are ready to learn more about it, there is one place to do that, thormotorcoach.com.